One of my favorite areas of a primary classroom is the math area. One, it's because every material here is concrete. It gives the young child an actual experience of quantity that they'll learn later to match with symbols. I'd like to show you the Spindle Boxes. Here you can see it's a simple box. You could probably make this at home with compartments and numbers. The children have already had an experience of feeling numbers, learning numbers, and now they're going to see what quantity is like. And here we have spindles. They grab it and they put it here, one, and they put it in one. At the end of this activity, if there's no more spindles, they know they did it right. And if not, they know they need to do it again. It's one thing that Montessori did really well. She created materials that had their own correction built in because she really felt that children were able to teach themselves if they were given the proper environment and the proper materials.